I'm going to show you my whole day. Also today is Saraswati Puja, so let's get into the video. Here is my little outfit check. Now I'm going downstairs because Puja has already started, so let's go. I got the prasad and just went back to my room. In the evening, I was just craving for something very sweet, so I just went to the canteen and bought this chocolate pastry for myself. By the way, the pastry was too yum and it just lifted my mood. After finishing this, I had a chapter to read, so I did that and I slept. That was pretty much it about my day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.